So, sir, when you read the Miranda rights, did you explain the nature and cause of the crime that he's being accused of?
He was already
So they attempted to read him his right and dala nila yung warrant.
They will not.
So yung
go out of
issue
the
na
plane.
walang dala, that's not true kasi dala nila. So did you or any of the people who were serving the warrant explain to him the elements of the crime?
It was not who attempted
But sabi mo, you know the elements.
in toto.
I'm not arguing on the opinion and the legal. My point is, when you arrest a Filipino citizen for, meron po tayong legal maxim that ignorance of the law is not an excuse thereof. You don't need to read the elements because alam na ng Pilipino yung nature and yung cause. And it's not even in the Rome Statute. Ang point ko, was the accused, in this case former president, aware of what he was being accused of?